out there in information land. I'm Chuck Chatter, and this is your Power Sister Horsey News Bite. Today, we're talking about the organization Birds Aren't Real. Birds aren't real. Birds aren't real? There truly is nothing too stupid to be true! Now here's your host, Dark Knight's Nightmare.
As absurd as it is, Zap's idea about Donald Trump's rump leaking gas that makes people crazy sounds more and more plausible. There is a growing movement with a strong religious undertone that is preaching the gospel that birds were replaced by government surveillance drones back in 2001 by Barack Obama. Here's footage from their June rally in Spring Head, Missouri.
My name is Peter, and I live, breathe, and die for the feathered gospel, which states that every bird alive is a government surveillance drone in disguise that's basically watching probably us having this conversation right now.
We all have to stand for our truth today. Can I get an amen? Amen! Today we stood for truth. Can I get an amen?
They think government drones pooped in my hair and stole my ice cream?
I'm not sure the word think can even be used for these people.
On their website, Birds Are Not Real, they posted video of birds being released for pigeon races as evidence that the government has replaced all birds with robot surveillance units. They even allege that John F. Kennedy was assassinated after disapproving of a prototype robot turkey. The group has also pointed to a Chinese pheasant that has Donald Trump's hair as proof that birds are manufactured. This group believes that the replacement of all birds with drones happened as a CIA program to spy on all Americans and prevent birds from pooping on the expensive cars of CIA personnel.
It's important to remember that those people have just as many votes as you do. So, write your senator and request more money for education. And comment on this video, hit that like button, and subscribe for more Absurd TV!